Hi everyone, today we're going to work on targeting our abs. These moves should get them nice and toned. If you haven't already, check out my free fitness programs on my website. I posted a link down in the description below. Also, there's a little icon at the top of my YouTube page that can take you there as well. I have lots of videos up on this channel, so be sure to check them all out. Send me some love by hitting that subscribe button. Let's head over to the fitness mat and get to work. We have 6 exercises ranging from 30 to 60 seconds, starting with leg circles. We're going to start by sitting on the mat, slightly leaning back with our hands behind us to help support our weight. Then we're going to engage our core, extend our legs, and draw circles going to the right. All right, let's switch direction. From here, we're going to lower down onto our elbows, extend our legs out again. Let's lower them just above the mat, add a couple of pulses, raise them back up, and repeat. Now we're going to come into a side sit with our left leg and left hand supporting us. And then we're going to bend our right leg at a 90-degree angle, bring our right hand up above our head, raise our right leg up, extend them both out, bring them back in, and repeat. Switching sides, right leg and right hand are supporting us, raising that left hand above our head, and the left leg comes up. Let's extend it out, bring it back in, and repeat. Now we're going to come back to lying on the mat, placing our hands behind our head. Let's extend our legs towards the ceiling and then bring them out to a wide V. We're going to crunch up and bring our legs back in, crisscross our feet, and repeat. Let's come back up and go into a V-sit, bringing our arms in front of us like we're holding a large beach ball with our legs extended. And we're just going to hold this position, crossing one leg over the other, then switch what leg goes on top, and repeat. One more exercise. We're going to come back to lying on the mat with our knees bent, making sure our low back stays flat on the mat. We're going to crunch up and extend our legs out into a V, come back to the starting position, and repeat. Awesome job, guys. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. These are some great ways to really target and tone up your abs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button too. Your support really helps my channel grow, and I appreciate that so much. Thanks so much for working out with me. I will see you all again soon.